Hi, I'm Pam Russ with My Florida Dreams. We're here in Coach House in Palmetto, Florida, and we're here to look at this house on 44 North. It's a single wide home with brand new siding in the summer of 2018. We'll go inside the house. And it's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It has laminate and ceramic flooring, newer appliances, and a newer washer and dryer. The house is turnkey. There's a few things that the owner will be taking with them. As far as the furniture, the recliner's going, but everything else in the living room is staying except for the recliner and the TV. The front bedroom in the front of the house. It does have carpeting. And everything stays here except for the television and of course any personal items. Cathedral ceilings. Ceramic in the kitchen, the hallway, and the bathroom. Stand-up shower. The second bedroom also has carpeting. The dressers, the furniture are all brand new. They've never even been used. Hi, that concludes our tour. Again, my name is Pam Russ, and my phone number is 734-755-5991. Thank you.